DERMAVLINE has the world's largest production capacity and facility to produce more than 500,000 lifting threads per month. DERMAVLINE is the world's first to have the technology to produce various molding cogs. DERMAVLINE is the best lifting thread manufacturer in the world. Meeting with distribution specialists with brand power in about 40 countries, including Europe, CIS, South America, and Asia, via OEM, ODM. DERMAVLINE is the world's largest, world's first, and world's best global leader in manufacturing and supplying lifting threads. The lifting threads of DERMAVLINE consist of protein components, which induce collagen production in the human body and restore ideal facial lines and beautiful skin. DERMAVLINE products are subdivided into COG, basic, and volume types depending on the site of use. In the case of COG type, which can be used in cheek and nose, it is characterized by the thread thorns made by our own microprocessing technology. It is effective to minimize the dimple phenomenon, induce cell proliferation in the skin, and improve the thick wrinkles in a short period of time with strong traction and tensile force. Basic type is suitable for improving wrinkles in the forehead, eyes, mouth, and neck. Monotype with smooth surface and screw type that twists the thread. Both give excellent fastening effects and stimulate collagen generation to provide natural skin volume. In the case of volume types, bomb type with multiple strands of threads and mesh type made into a net shape maximize the effect of tissue production and improve collagen production and skin elasticity, thereby improving deep wrinkles and skin volume. DERMAVLINE's lifting thread is a product for your young and beautiful skin and is the world's first, world's largest, and world's best.